2 words: perfect location. This home is tucked away at the end of a cul-de-sac lot in the Copper Hill Subdivision, yet conveniently located near all the necessary amenities. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home boasts an open concept with large living spaces all around. The eat-in kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space, a breakfast bar, dining space, and a walk-in pantry. The family room is cozy and warm with built-in shelves that provide extra storage and character. A second living space makes the perfect spot for a home office or a place to recharge and have some me time with your morning coffee. A custom mudroom area can be found just inside from the 2-car garage, and a garage has extra shelving for storage. Each of the bedrooms are great in size, and notable features being the custom built-in shelves and a desk in the 4th bedroom. All 3 bedrooms have been updated with rainfall shower in the master bath and a soaking tub in the guest bath. Just out the back door is a spacious backyard that opens to the community green area, playground, and walking trail. In the springtime, you can expect a lush landscape surrounding. What are you waiting for? Call Cheryl Bolts to learn more about this amazing home.